Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see a basic example of how to use components in Blazor. Uh, we'll see a basic example of how to reutilize those components to create similar layouts from different uh, data and speed up a little bit our development. So first we will show the sample application, which is just a slightly modified demo application from the template. Before continue, also please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can get notifications as soon as videos are uploaded. Let us know in the comment anything you would like to learn about .NET Core, Azure, and Unity3d, and don't forget to share and like the videos. Okay, so what we have here is two new items, one for showing students and one for showing a list of teachers. Uh, these are hard-coded except for the age, which is a random value when invoking the API endpoint. Okay, so you will see that in here we have these two pages, students and teachers, right? What we do is we actually go and create a component, which is this is our basic component, and this is the basic template from the startup template for the Blazor application. So just modify it a little bit to get the items for different type. Okay, modify the properties, and then in the pages, instead of having all the table definition in here, what we do is we make sure that we can access this component, which since I have it on shared, it's already imported by this using in the imports Blazor file. Then the items is the name for a public property set as parameter for the component. Then what it happens is that as soon as the array is modified, or yeah, as soon as that value changes, the items is going to change too in the component, and then this is going to be rendered. You will see that here we have if person's array equals null, just show the loading, otherwise render this with items equals app equals to persons array, which is the variable that we have in these two files. So that's a quick example of how to use components in Blazor. This can actually speed up a little bit your development if you have more complex stuff or screens, layouts, where you need to duplicate a lot of the layout for slightly different data or similar data, I will say. The using of components can help you drastically to speed up your development and actually reduce the code that you need to modify. I hope this video has been useful for you. Thanks for watching it. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get the notifications, like the videos, share them, and let us know everything you would like to know about .NET Core, Azure, and Unity3D. Thank you very much and have a great day.